Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to discuss about from class 8 mensuration chapter CBSE obviously three-dimensional figure. So as you can see here, as we are following R.S. Agarwal mathematics book, three-dimensional figure or three-dimensional shapes. In junior class it is given three-dimensional figure. So I am just writing here three-dimensional figure or shapes. Now here are the different types of definitions are given. To know about this three-dimensional shapes or three-dimensional figure, we have to know about first solid, then what is three-dimensional figure. First we have to know about solid, next what is three-dimensional figure. Now three dimension means to measure or to observe a figure in minimum three ways. Okay. If one, that is why I written this is not from book, this is from my concept. I have just told that to measure or to observe a figure in minimum three ways. That means if a figure to measure or to observe, by three ways, then that figure or that figure is called a three-dimensional figure. That is to know about the real fact or the real shape of the figure, we have to observe it is in three ways. Okay, so that is called the three-dimensional figure. Now let us take the difference between the two-dimensional and the three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional figure. Now if we take one rectangle, the dimension of rectangle is length and breadth. Okay, so these are called the dimension for a rectangle. For a rectangle, this length and breadth are called dimension. Now if we take here one this shape, okay, so to measure or to observe this, if we take only length and breadth, then we can't conclude or we can understand the figure. Now to understand the figure, we have to add another dimension here. So here we are getting the two dimension. First, this is first dimension, this is second dimension. Now to observe this figure clearly, we have to take, this is first dimension, this is second dimension. To observe this figure clearly, we have to take one more dimension, that is this dimension, and this is called the height. This is the third dimension. Okay. So minimum 3 ways, or minimum to observe or to clearly understand the figure, if we have to go to 3 way, that is called the 3-dimensional figure. That is for my definition. Now this is called, this is a rectangle. Three-dimensional shapes, that is also from mensuration. Of class 8. This is rectangle and this is the shape of a cuboid. Okay. Now some example, if we take some example, that is examples of 3-dimensional figure. Examples, what are the examples? First is cube, the die that is called a cube. Next, cuboid. Okay. Next, prism, triangular prism, triangular prism, triangular prism. Okay. Next, pyramid, next, pyramid has two types, three types, that is square, rectangle and triangle. Prism is only one type. Next, in my next things, we have to know about the main things, that is faces, vertices and edges of a 3-dimensional figure. So faces, vertices, edges of a 3-dimensional figure. Now what is the face of a 3-dimensional figure? Flat part. It is a flat part of the 3-dimensional figure, obviously for 3-dimensional figure. Next, vertices, corner, each corner where the three faces of a solid meet, where three faces of a solid meets. Next, edge, two faces of a solid meet in a line. Okay, that line is called the edge. Okay. Now we shall discuss about, we have to discuss about the faces, vertices and edges, faces, vertices and edges, some three-dimensional figure. So first come to cuboid. It is already given in the book. First come to cuboid. Now if we draw a cuboid, a figure of a cuboid, it look like this. This is a cuboid. Okay. So now if we named it A, B, C, this is D, this is E, F, next this is G, this is H. So cuboid, for cuboid it has, if we take face, it has 6 faces. Okay. Vertices, 8 vertices and edge, 12 edge, 12 edges. Face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 face. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 vertices and 12 edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Similarly, for cube, this is cuboid. Next, for cube, similar, it has 6 face, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay. All the details have been given in the book R.S. Agarwal. So I'm just discussing about that. I'm not writing the detail. I'm just discussing about that. Now here, next come to prism. Prism. What is a prism? A solid whose two faces are parallel plane polygon is, okay, a solid whose faces are parallel plane polygons and the sides face are rectangles is called a prism. So this is the shape of a prism. If we draw a prism, this is the shape this is the shape of a prism. If we named it, this is the A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the shape of a prism. Okay. Now flat face, it has how many flat face? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So it has it has 3 rectangular face and 2 triangular face. 3 rectangular face, 2 triangular face. Okay, this is for prism obviously, and face was done. Next come to vertices. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 vertices, 6 vertices. Next edge 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 and 9 edges. Okay, 6 vertices and 9 edges. Understood? Next, I am not naming the edges because the name is already given in the book. So I am just discussing. As you can see, I am showing you this from the book. The name, all the things are given in the book. I am just discussing it. Next, for pyramid. For pyramid, now for a pyramid, first come to square pyramid. Square pyramid, what is the shape of a square pyramid? This is a square. This is a square. Actually the figure is not proper. Hope you are able to understood it. Square, this lower shape is a square. Okay, it is a solid whose base is a square. Base is a square. The base is a square. A pyramid whose base is a square. So a pyramid whose base is a square, that is called a square pyramid. Now it has 5 vertices, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 vertices. Okay, and edge 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 edges. 8 edges, and face 1 2 3 4 5, 5 face, 5 faces. Hope you are able to understood. If you understood the figure, then you definitely definitely understood the vertices, edges and faces. Understood? Okay. Next, actually these are for math lab content. So if the school was opened, then I will definitely show you the show you it in laboratory, but unfortunately right now I am unable. Next, rectangular pyramid. Rectangular pyramid, a pyramid whose base is a rectangle. A pyramid whose base is a rectangle. This type of figure in book it is given very clearly. This is a rectangular pyramid. So it has again same 5 vertices. 5 vertices. How many edges? 8 edges and 5 faces. Okay. Now for face for face, 4 triangular face and 1 square face. For it, 4 triangular and 1 rectangular. Okay. Next, triangular prism. Whose base is a triangle. A prism whose base is a triangle, that is called the triangular prism, or it will be looked like this. Okay, so it has 4 vertices. Next, 4 face, 4 vertices, 1 2 3 4, 4 vertices, 4 face, and how many edges? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 edges. 4 vertices, 4 faces, and 6 edges. Okay, now here the chart is given, the summary that is given in the book clearly, as you can see. So I am suggesting you to go through this summary of the book, so for better understanding. Okay, so next we will start exercise 19A of R.S. Agarwal in my next video. Till then, keep watching my channel. So this is the introduction related to the 3-dimensional figure or 3-dimensional shapes of class 8 CBSE mathematics book. Okay, so that's it for this video. Till then, keep watching my channel and do subscribe, and please stay with me. Thank you.